In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson ColorWorks C7500 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson ColorWorks C7500 support. Go ahead and search for that. The best match on the page here should come back with Epson ColorWorks C7500. Go ahead and open that up. And then selecting the operating system dropdown, select your appropriate version of Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. And then scrolling down, select underneath drivers versus print driver. Go ahead and download that item. And then open up the file once it's downloaded to your system. If you receive a user account control prompt, should be from Epson, select yes. And then you just want to proceed with the on-screen wizard of getting your printer configured properly to your personal preferences. And that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.